A lawyer has told the Royal Commission the Anglican Church's response to claims of historic child sexual abuse was so bad one of his clients came close to suicide. Simon Harrison launched a class action against the church over abuse at a children's home in Lismore. The compensation battle it followed is now under intense scrutiny.
Simon Harrison has been taking on churches over abuse claims for years. But he told the Commission he's never seen anything like the disrespect the Anglican Church showed his clients in 2006, and it drove many to the brink.
We had a number of self-harm calls, and also one in particular that was quite horrendous that thankfully we managed to talk that particular client down.
His clients were a group of 41 victims from the home. Simon Harrison recalled a meeting he had with the Reverend Pat Comben where the minister used the words "bring it on," referring to court action. But the lawyer couldn't bring it on because of legal limitations relating to the amount of time that had passed. He says the Anglican Church could have waived those limitations, but it deliberately chose not to.
Instead, they took the hard line that those limitation periods were going to stand.
The statements of 4 victims who didn't want to appear in person were also read. "I once saw a group of about 5 older boys pin down one of the young girls, and they all raped her." All 4 victims slammed the response they received from the Grafton Diocese when they came forward, with one woman writing,
"At the end of that case, it was like being raped all over again."
The victims aren't alone in their view of the way the Grafton Diocese handled their claims. The Commission also heard from the Professional Standards Director of the Brisbane Diocese, Rodney McClary. He described Grafton's approach as antagonistic, and he added that to challenge a victim's story from the beginning only adds to the trauma. Lucy McNally, ABC News, Sydney.